My first experience with Bitcoin was late uh late 8th grade, and I had heard about it from a friend who had introduced it to me, who was saying that it's like this future currency. And I did some research into it, and I thought about purchasing some, and I tried to explain the whole concept of it to my father, who did not agree that internet money was a thing. And I am very, very, very upset with him about this, because if I had invested in Bitcoin at the time, I would now have close to $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, which is very, very, very frustrating. Um, I personally am a finance major, and I see blockchain creating huge new opportunities for my field. I want to go specifically into international investment banking, and I believe that blockchain will be a revolutionary technology. I believe it will allow people to have access to financial markets in places where people have never had access to it. For instance, in developing countries and sub-Saharan Africa, I believe it will be able to allow people to get access to funds and be more transparent in their transactions in order to help develop uh, new businesses and promote economic growth. I learned from the interview more of the technical aspect of blockchain. I've been familiar with cryptocurrencies for a while, but I did not really understand the more fundamental aspects about it and the whole transparency of the transactions and its ability to be publicly monitored, and how it uses a wide distributed network of computers to facilitate these transactions. I believe that in the next 10 years, blockchain will be a much wider use and be more mainstream. I believe that it is a very, very, very interesting technology, and I believe that we will be using it in all aspects of life. And I am very excited to see how blockchain will improve our lives in the future.